Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you all how to make use of the all function in Excel. I'll be using this practical company data set to determine which employees are eligible for this incentive. So for the all function, it only needs one condition to be true, even if others are false. So using this data set, an employee is eligible if the sales is up to 500,000 or if the attendance is up to 50%. Even if one condition fails, as long as one is true, automatically the employee becomes eligible. Unlike the AND function is strict, whereby it requires all conditions to be true, but the all function is flexible. It just needs one condition to be true. So even if the employee has low attendance but high sales, they will still be eligible. So to determine the employee that is qualified for this incentive, we will use this formula, the all function equals to if you double tap on it, then you go in with all, double tap on all, you make reference to this cell C2, then you say cell C2 if the employee sales is greater or equals to 500,000, comma, they make reference to the attendance, that is cell D2. You tap on it if it's greater than or equals to 50%, bracket close, and comma, in quotation, eligible, quotation close, comma, quotation again, not eligible. Oh, sorry, quotation close, then bracket close. Okay, you press your enter and it will reflect. Then instead of doing it one after the other, you might be working with a large data set. So you go here, double tap, and it will reflect automatically. So let's check if we did a good job. For the first employee, Havila, okay, Havila had sales of 100,000 and attendance above 50%. Definitely, Havila is eligible for the incentive because the attendance is more than 50%. Then the second employee, Munachi, 500,000 for sales, then 70%. Automatically, Munachi is eligible for the incentive because Munachi had 500 for sales and 70%. That is way above 50%. Then the third employee had sales of 600,000, then 50%. That is eligible because it's above 500,000 and also 50% for attendance. Then John had 300,000 for the sales. John is not eligible because 300,000 is below 500,000 and also the attendance is below 50%. Automatically, John is not eligible. So this is the way the all function works. It's that simple, and this tutorial is beginners friendly. And thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on your notification bell in case I post my next video on YouTube. Thank you for watching and bye for now.